practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking, the only podcast where your English mistakes are safe, loved, and gently laughed at.
Yes, welcome everyone. And don't worry, Anna laughs with you, not at you. Mostly. Joking.
Jake, don't expose me already. But seriously, if English scares you daily, relax. Even Jake is still scared sometimes.
Hey, I'm not scared. I'm just emotionally surprised by grammar.
See, friends, this is a safe place for beginners who mix is, am, are like a fruit salad. Yum, yum.
True. If English was food, I would definitely spill it on my shirt every day.
Today's topic is super important and very real, like forgetting your keys at home.
Or saying, I am agree, and then realizing, oops, English caught me.
Exactly. Today we talk about 10 common English mistakes students make daily. And yes, daily means every single day, like chai.
Chai. Now I'm listening more carefully.
Anna always says, Anna, I understand English, but my mouth says wrong things.
Same here. My brain speaks English, but my mouth speaks freestyle version.
So relax your shoulders, smile a little, and let's laugh and learn together.
And remember, mistakes mean you are trying, not failing, like my cooking attempts.
Okay, Jake. First common mistake. Very famous, very popular, like a bad song stuck in head.
Let me guess. I am agree, right? My old best friend.
Yes, students say I am agree with you, and English quietly cries in a corner.
English is like, why am I like this?
The correct sentence is simple. I agree with you. No am, very clean.
So agree is not tired. It doesn't need am.
Exactly. Agree is already a verb. It can stand alone like a confident cat.
I like that. Confident cat grammar.
Mistake number 2 is small but powerful, like chili in food.
Oh no, the he and she fight again.
Yes, students say, my mother, he is very kind, and mother looks confused.
Mother be like, excuse me?
In English, we must respect he and she. They are sensitive.
He is for boys, she is for girls. Simple like socks pairs.
Practice slowly. Think 1 second, and your sentence will thank you.
Thinking before speaking sounds scary, but helpful.
Mistake 3 is emotional. Students love very much.
Yes, I like pizza very much. I am tired very much. Pizza understands, tired doesn't.
Exactly. Very much is good, but not everywhere like salt.
Too much salt ruins food. Too much very much ruins sentence.
Say, I like pizza a lot, or I am very tired. Simple and happy.
English is like minimal fashion. Less is more.
Now, mistake 4, a little tricky but common like traffic.
Oh no, grammar traffic jam.
Students say, I am go to market, and market waits.
Market is like when?
Correct is, I am going to the market, because action is happening.
So am plus verb plus ing, like dancing grammar.
Yes, imagine verbs wearing ing clothes, very stylish.
I want an ing jacket now.
Mistake 5 hurts teachers' hearts a little.
Teachers already drink tea for stress.
Students say he go to school and she like coffee.
English whispers, where is my S? Sadly.
With he, she, it, always add S. He goes, she likes.
That S is small but powerful, like remote control.
Practice daily and soon it feels natural, like brushing teeth.
I sometimes forget brushing teeth, but grammar I remember.
Okay, mistake 6 is sneaky, like socks missing.
Prepositions, in, on, at, they confuse everyone.
Students say, I am in home, and home feels weird.
Home is like Please use at politely.
Correct is I am at home, on the bus, in the room.
Prepositions are small words with big attitude.
True, but don't panic. Even native speakers think sometimes.
That makes me feel better already.
Mistake 7 is very natural and very human.
Yes, brain uses Google Translate inside head.
Students think in their language and push it into English.
English comes out confused, like jet lag.
Example, my head is eating, meaning I have a headache.
Head eating sounds scary.
Learn English phrases as whole sentences, not word by word.
So English likes chunks, like chocolate pieces.
Mistake 8 sounds smart but gets annoying fast.
Actually enters chat too often.
Students say, actually, I am actually going actually home.
Actually, that sentence needs help.
Use actually only when correcting or surprising.
Like, I thought you were tired, but actually you were dancing.
Exactly. Save it for special moments, like good perfume.
Don't shower in perfume. Grammar advice.
Mistake 9 is very common in speaking.
Questions flip English upside down.
Students say, you are coming, with confused face.
Face helps, but grammar helps more.
Correct is, are you coming? Verb comes first.
English questions like to jump to front.
Practice simple patterns, and questions become friendly.
Friendly questions sound less scary.
Final mistake is biggest of all, very emotional.
Oh yes, fear enters like horror movie music.
Students stay silent because they fear wrong English.
Silence is comfortable, but learning hides.
Mistakes are teachers, not enemies.
My mistakes taught me more than my books, sadly.
Speak daily, make mistakes daily, improve daily.
Daily English like daily exercise, but less sweating.
Wow, Jake, we survived 10 mistakes without crying. Impressive.
Yes, and English didn't run away. Good sign.
Dear listeners, remember, you are learning, not performing in a movie.
And nobody gives Oscar for perfect grammar, sadly.
Practice English daily. Smile when mistakes happen.
Laugh first, correct later. Best strategy.
Thank you for listening to Practice English Speaking.
See you next time, and don't forget, English is your friend, not boss.